connectors, the lifelines of every machine, transmitting power, data and signal. And this is what we call a variety. From M8 to M23 over different kind of Ethernet connectors like RJ45, valve plug connectors, Moore Electronic is offering a big variety. All different kind of coatings and with a rating up to IP69K. For all our molded connectors, we are offering different type of cables, from PUR over PVC up to TPE cables and so on. Each connector comes in different lengths from 30 centimeter up to 100 meter. I could tell you a lot more, but our time is limited. So let's have a look on one of our innovations in the field of connectors, our MQ15. Production is impossible without reliable, easy to install and safe to operate power. Moore Electronic makes this easy with the new MQ15 power connectors. A quarter turn is all it takes to snap the connector into its place and create an IP67 sealing. This innovative quick connect system reduces installation time for commissioning and maintenance with up to 80%. Family is rounded off by the new H distributor with molded cables. With this new piece, 2 applications with 1 power line can be served. The MQ15 is suitable for 600 volt AC applications or 48 volt DC applications, and so with this connector we can connect different kind of applications and more or less all kind of drives. Just take a look on our portfolio and you will figure out that we are able to supply just about anything.